Hey guys, it's Slippery Slope. Have you ever gone to your favorite website like Game FAQs or ESPN or even Facebook and just gone, darn, this thing is laid out so well. I wish I could make my own website just for me and my millions of other viewers, of course, that look just as cool and was just as easily accessible and just as fun to use? Well, you can do that, and it starts with the knowledge of XHTML and CSS. And that's what I'm going to train you guys to do starting with this very video. Well, okay, this video is all about what you need in order to start using XHTML and CSS. And I'll tell you what, why don't you just go to whatever your favorite web page is, wherever, your favorite website, your favorite web page of that website, and right-click. Now, it should say View Page Source, or if you're using IE or some other browsers, it might say View Source, and just take a look at what pops up. At first, I'll be entirely honest with you, that does look kind of scary. But with the right amount of work and the right amount of practice, that can be you. No, you're not actually going to be the text. You could be the dude or gal who programs that. Hooray! Now, you don't even need to download anything if you don't want it. You could just use Notepad and do it no frills style, but you know, why would you want to do that when there are so many better text editors out there available for free? You could use Notepad++, which is my personal favorite, or you could use EditPad, which I have used in the past and I do recommend it, but for our sake, let's just use Notepad++ because it's like Notepad, except better. And yeah, now it's Notepad with frills. How about that? So what you want to do in order to download it is enter Notepad++ into Google, and the first link should be their website. Now, once you make it to the website, find Download on the left, and you want to get the latest version of the installer. Now, depending on what the page looks like now, because you might be looking at this 55 years into the future, and I might be dead or old or something. Oh, that's a sad thought. Let's not think like that anymore. Anyway, it should say installer, and the Notepad++ people should have a note next to installer saying that it's what you want if you have no idea what you're looking for. So, you know, download it like you normally would any other file, and you'll receive an executable file. Run the thing, stick to the default options, and I'm going to assume you speak English, and that I believe is the default language option. So there you go. Now you have Notepad++, and now you've, well, not unzipped it because it's in exe, but you installed it. Yeah. Now go to the Start menu, and you want to find the Notepad++ folder, and if you really want to, not the folder, but the actual executable for Notepad++, after you ran the installer, of course, otherwise you need to do that right now, you can right-click on the Notepad++, the new executable, and yeah, you can hit an option to send an icon to desktop. Okay, you have to click two things, but after you right-click. And yeah, straight from desktop, you could have Notepad++, an icon sitting right there on your desktop, send to desktop. How cool is that? Now, it's on desktop, and it's right there from your Start menu. You can open the thing up, and you have Notepad++. Hey, wait a minute, Slip. We haven't gone over any XHTML or CSS yet. Oh, we shall. We shall, my friend. But you're not going to go fishing with your hands now, are you? Well, maybe if you're a penguin. But, you know, we're not the Linux people, are we? Well, maybe you do use Linux. Okay, now I'm just rambling on. Okay, first step is out of the way. Be happy. We're well on our way to learning new stuff. See ya.